Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Seriousness of mother, government will decide to put an experienced and undoubted officers. It's a team of officers, including the lawyers. So government will take a conscious decision. Government will not take a hasty decision as regards to constituting a Madai cell.
म्हादय केस सेन्सिटिव्ह आणि निर्णायक पावंड्यार असताना गोयच्या WRDच्या म्हादय सेलात 9 इंजिनियरांतले 8 मूळ कर्नाटकी. ह्या आदी कर्नाटकी इंजिनियरान रिपोर्ट लीक करपाचे प्रकार घडल्यात. मंत्री म्हणटा वास्तव मतीन धरून म्हादयची केस स्ट्रॉंग करपाच्या दिशेन काम चल्लां.
बॅलन्स हाडटले तुमी?
It's a team of officers, not an officer who will in charge. Because it's a government duty, no? It's a government responsibility to constitute that cell.
आता पर्यंत कर्नाटकाचेच मेन आहा तितून बॅलन्स येतलो काय म्हणून
Definitely.
मॅक्झिमम गोंयकार येतले.
There will be no doubt in the minds of the people as regards to Madai issue.
रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूट रोकडे करतले.
जरा CME minutely they examine करतात. And CM will take a right and conscious decision. Okay, we are in a process of examining all the factors for the constitution of this matter.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार.